Well, what's happening back here? Who's that? Who's in there? I got a little ghost blanket, huh? What's happening? Who's in there? Somebody get a little lost? How'd you get in there? What's up? Isn't that your butt? No, that's your face. I just came back here and she was in here doing this by herself. And Sheena's just watching. What the heck's going on, Sheena? What's happening? What is she doing? And he's watching too. She's just entertaining them. What's up here? What's up here, kid? What's happening? She's on her back. Where is you? Oh, under the sheet, too. You're not supposed to be under Mama's sheets. Where is you? Where is you? Well, who's that? Who's that? Silly goose. My dirty little girl was gonna get a bath today. What's happening to you? What are you doing? Who's that, pretty? That's your girl. What's happening? Yeah, what's up, girly? What's up, girly? What are you doing? You being so silly. Oh my goodness. Look at that smile. Look at that smile. Look at that smile. So pretty. That's such a pretty little smile, huh? Open down, open down. Haha. I hope you guys are having a great night, day, whatnot. It's Friday. Everyone's all fat and happy, I think, from yesterday and leftovers today. I'm just gonna make some dinner. I don't think I'm gonna have turkey though. But yeah. I just wanted to show you her being so silly, huh? I just wanted to show her being silly girl. Yep. She's a nut. She's a nut. Yeah. Alright, say bye. See you later. Oh. Well, I guess we know what she wanted. Huh? Is that what you wanted? To get all cozy in the blankets? You're just smiling away, huh, sweet? Gotta clean your eyes, baby. Alright, guys, we love you. Bye-bye. Thanks for making a mess of my bed.